Stop everything you're doing right now because I'm about to reveal the most powerful secret that schools never taught you: how to literally hijack your own brain and make it absolutely obsessed with studying. You know that feeling when you can't put down your phone because every scroll gives you a little rush of excitement? What if I told you that, in the next few minutes, you'll discover how to make your brain feel that exact same addiction, but for textbooks instead of TikTok? This isn't some boring study tip. This is pure brain science that will completely rewire how your mind works, and by the end of this, you'll understand why some students can't stop studying while others can barely open a book. Here's what's happening inside your head right now, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. Your brain has this incredible chemical called dopamine. Think of it as nature's most powerful reward system, like having a happiness button that gets pressed every time something exciting happens. Right now, your brain is like a drug addict, but instead of being addicted to substances, it's completely hooked on instant gratification. Every time you swipe on your phone, your brain gets hit with a massive surge of this happiness chemical. It's like eating the most delicious candy in the world, and your brain becomes desperate for more and more of it. But here's the shocking truth that will change everything. Those apps on your phone are designed by teams of neuroscientists and behavioral psychologists whose only job is to make you addicted. They've created the perfect dopamine slot machine that never stops paying out. Every single scroll brings something completely new and unexpected. Maybe it's a hilarious meme that makes you burst out laughing, or an incredible dance that makes you want to jump up and try it, or perhaps a shocking fact that makes your jaw drop to the floor. All of this happens in just seconds, with zero effort from your brain. It's like being fed the most amazing feast without ever having to cook. Meanwhile, your poor textbooks are sitting there like plain bread when your brain is craving a 5-star meal. Books require your brain to work incredibly hard before they give you any reward at all. They're slow, they demand intense focus, and the satisfaction of learning something new feels like it's a million miles away compared to the instant rush you get from social media. Your brain looks at studying the same way you'd look at running a marathon when someone offers you a free ride in a sports car. Why would you choose the hard way when the easy way feels so much better? But wait, here comes the game-changing part that's going to blow your mind. I've discovered a 2-step process that can completely reverse this situation and make your brain start craving books instead of apps. This method is so powerful that I've seen students go from failing grades to becoming study machines in just a few weeks. They didn't become different people. They just learned how to hack their own brains. Step 1 is absolutely crucial, and it might sound crazy at first, but stick with me because this works like magic. You need to reset your brain's happiness meter, which right now is completely broken. Imagine your dopamine system like a volume dial that's been turned up to maximum for so long that normal sounds seem silent. We need to turn that dial back down so your brain can appreciate quieter, more subtle pleasures again. This is called a dopamine reset, and it's going to feel weird at first, but the results are absolutely incredible. Here's exactly what you're going to do, and I promise this will change your life. Spend just 15 minutes every single day in complete boredom. I know this sounds horrible, but trust me, this is where the magic happens. No phone, no music, no videos, no distractions whatsoever. Just you, sitting with your own thoughts. You can take a slow walk outside without any devices, or you can literally just sit and stare at a wall. Let your mind wander wherever it wants to go, like a curious explorer discovering a new world inside your own head. When you first try this, your brain is going to absolutely freak out. It's going to feel like torture because your brain has become so used to constant stimulation that silence feels terrifying. You'll feel anxious, bored, maybe even angry, and that's exactly how you know it's working. Your brain is going through withdrawal from all those dopamine hits, just like someone quitting caffeine feels tired and grumpy for a few days. But after just 1 week of doing this daily practice, something absolutely miraculous starts happening that will shock you. Your brain's sensitivity begins to reset itself. Suddenly, simple pleasures that never registered before start feeling amazing again. Reading a good sentence feels satisfying. Understanding a difficult concept gives you a rush of excitement. Your brain, which was used to needing extreme stimulation to feel anything, becomes grateful for smaller, more meaningful rewards. It's like when you're incredibly thirsty. Even plain water tastes like the most refreshing drink in the universe. Now comes step 2, and this is where we turn studying into your brain's new favorite addiction. We're going to make learning deliver massive amounts of that dopamine your brain craves, but in a healthy, productive way. First, completely change how you think about your textbooks. They're not boring homework assignments, they're treasure maps filled with secrets that could change your entire life. Every page contains information that could help you understand how the world really works, and your brain naturally loves discovering new knowledge. That's exactly why you watch those mind-blowing facts videos. Create a reward system that works with your brain instead of against it. Break everything you need to study into tiny, manageable chunks that feel easy to conquer. After you complete each small section, put a big checkmark or draw a colorful star next to it. This simple act triggers a burst of dopamine that makes your brain feel proud and accomplished. Use the Pomodoro technique. Set a timer for 25 minutes and turn studying into a game where you challenge yourself to stay completely focused. Your brain loves games with clear rules and time limits.